The southern corroboree frog is considered one of the most recognisable frog species in Australia. The frogs are found only in specific areas of the Kosciuszko National Park in New South Wales. Currently, their habitat and ultimately their survival as a species is under threat. Southern corroboree frog numbers have been in decline since the 1980s. This is thought to be due to a number of factors such as climate change, which interferes with the required breeding conditions, causing habitat disturbance. Feral animals like pigs, horses and deer, and also human developments such as roads and ski resorts, which leads to erosion and degradation. Medical issues such as amphibian chytrid fungus are also a major factor. We know that the frogs breed and lay eggs in subalpine pools. The eggs remain here until flooding of the pools stimulates hatching. Once hatched, the tadpoles move through the vegetation to lower pools where they remain until metamorphosis occurs. The frogs have a much extended incubation and growth period compared to most other frogs and do not reach adult maturity until 2 years of age. If these environmental factors are not controlled, successful breeding is almost impossible for the species. Due to the impacts of these interrelated factors, the southern corroboree frog has been listed as critically endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species.
That's an adult male.
Big as the males get.
It's amazing.
And
I didn't realise it was so bright.
Truly spectacular.
He's extraordinarily beautiful.
Nothing like him in Australia, that's for sure.
Zoos Victoria estimates that there are less than 100 individuals left in the wild. Clearly, there is a problem, and without something being done, there is a very real chance that Australia could lose the southern corroboree frog forever. An updated National Recovery Plan was published in 2012 by the Office of Environment and Heritage. The plan was prepared by David Hunter and includes a number of key objectives. Captive breeding programs have been established in both Melbourne Zoo and Taronga Zoo, while continuing research and species monitoring assesses the effectiveness of the conservation efforts, while education and community awareness programs have been implemented to raise the profile of this tiny frog. The initial community of both frogs and eggs released into quarantines and closures within the national park are doing well, and another release has already been planned for early 2014. Our overall aim is to save this uniquely Australian species from imminent extinction, while also protecting the sustainability of the beautiful environment of Kosciuszko National Park. So let's get to it.